This association represents interests of all operators across the country. Due to yesterday's press conference by CS Transport and Infrastructure and CS Interior and Coordination of Government, we members of the Federation of Public Transport Sector would like to advise our members to withdraw public transport service provision on Monday, November 12, 2018, for purposes of aligning our operation to the new guidelines given out in yesterday's press statement. Meanwhile, we are seeking dialogue with the authorities with a view of getting clarification on new guidelines which we feel are unclear and discriminatory, noting that we had written to CS Transport and Infrastructure and are yet to receive an invitation. Matters we are seeking clarification are as such: charging vehicle owners and SACCO companies officials for traffic violations of driver or conductor, painting PSV vehicles white, all PSV vehicles white, introduction of continuous yellow line instead of a broken one on matatus, replacement of speed governors with new ones even for those that are serviceable, uniforms for all PSV to be blue for drivers and maroon for conductors, even for bus operators and cooperates.